Welcome to Ashburton, this is Real Steel. Let's go on a tour and see what we can see. Behind me here we've got 3 press brakes. We've got one that's 1800 wide, 2 that are 4 meters wide. Primarily these 2 behind us do all the work with a 6-axis backstop, and then we've got the old donkey down the end there that also does a couple of big jobs down again. We have 4 10-ton cranes on site. We keep around about 400 to 500 tonne of plate on the ground at any one time, and these bad boys are the ones that move it all around. Now we're moving to the cool part of the workshop. This is our laser, and behind us it's 6 kilowatt, it's 6 meters long by 2.5. We cut all our plate on this, stainless steel, core 10, aluminium, mild steel, all goes through this laser, sort of 2mm to 12mm, and then we move stuff on to the plasma, and that cuts everything from 2mm to 200mm, and then if it needs drilled holes, we move it over to our other machine, which we'll see in a minute. So this is the K4000. This is the beast. This is the one that's got the 24 tool changer. It can drill holes, it can countersink holes, it can tap holes. It can pretty much do whatever you want it to do with heavy and cut plate. This might look like a big open space, but just watch this space because we have a new machine turning up in a month or so called Inky, which is going to plate mark your profiles with your order number, the plate number. It's going to go through a conveyor belt, get cleaned up, be deburred, and this is going to be a game changer in the South Island. This is the end of the tour of Real Steel Ashburton. I think we nailed that.